Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the console. Confirm PS5 is updated and you're signed in. Next, choose wired LAN or Wi-Fi and remember the SSID/password. Wired is preferred for server changes. Once done, move into Settings, open Network, then Settings again and select Setup Internet Connection. Make sure you pick the proper adapter, LAN, or your Wi-Fi network. You're now ready to switch from automatic to manual or custom server settings to control DNS and routing. You'll now dive into the detailed configuration. After selecting your active connection, open Advanced Settings and change DNS to manual. Enter the primary DNS address and a secondary address, for example 8 then 8 4. Make sure MTU is set to automatic unless you have specific requirements, and leave proxy server set to do not use unless your network requires one. Once both DNS entries are correct, save the settings so the PS5 applies the new server addresses and routing behavior. You complete the process by running test internet connection from network settings to confirm DNS resolution, download/upload speeds, and NAT type. If the console can't reach services, restart the PS5 and your router to clear caches. Make sure saved DNS entries are correct. If problems persist, switch to an alternate known DNS like 1 or 8 and retest. One key troubleshooting tip. If games still won't connect, check your router's DNS override or ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.